Hey, it's Beetle J from Canada, and it is a very good Beetle day. What arrived in the mail today is a U.S. vintage copy of Let It Be, and it's a gatefold album, and it's a real thing too. And there are a lot of fakes of this particular record, but how you can tell it's real is. Basically how George looks here, natural skin tones and stuff, and the color of the red apple on the back here. Now, another couple items to look for in the LP itself. In the dead wax, you have to look for Bell Sound SF, and Bell Sound was where this particular record would have been manufactured, and SF. I think it's Sam Feldman was the technician or in charge of producing the record. And another thing to look for in the dead wax is Phil and Ronnie, and that's in reference to Phil Spector and his wife at the time before he shot her. Well, I don't know if he shot her, but it was his wife at the time. But anyways, I'm very pleased with the record. Just listen to side one, and it sounds great, for a record of this vintage. So there it is, the U.S. issue of Let It Be. Yeah, yeah, yeah.